Welcome to your potential new home in East Columbus, Georgia, near Midland. As you step through the front door, you're greeted by a convenient laundry room on your left, complete with cabinets for added storage. Now, on your right, the main bedroom awaits with its own ensuite, offering a private and comfortable retreat. As we move across the hall, the kitchen unfolds with its beautifully refinished cabinets, tiled floors, and a convenient breakfast bar. The kitchen seamlessly flows into an adjoining area, providing a view of the spacious great room. But that's not all. Step outside to your own private small backyard. Imagine relaxing or entertaining on the covered patio, surrounded by tranquility. Additional perks include extra storage space and dedicated parking spots for your convenience. Heading upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms and another bathroom. All the bedrooms have been updated with cozy carpets and ceiling fans, creating a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. This townhouse truly offers the best of both worlds, nestled in a serene and peaceful neighborhood, while still being close to all the amenities you desire. Don't miss the chance to experience the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Enjoy easy access to shopping centers, restaurants, and entertainment options, simplifying your daily errands. Contact Peaceful Nest Management today to schedule your appointment and explore the welcoming atmosphere of this townhouse. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you find your new home.